So at SnapDx, we say we want to help doctors provide the best possible care in the 10 minutes they have to see a patient. I'm Hisham Al-Sharafa, the co-founder and CEO of SnapDx and the engineer on the team.
I remember the way some of this got started was myself and Rahul. We were sitting over a coffee at Tim Hortons, and we were sort of talking about how many guidelines there were for us to learn about. I'm Mike Braganza. I'm one of the medical leads of SnapDx. And we thought, well, wouldn't it be a great idea if we could figure out a way that we could make technology our ally in treating patients?
So at SnapDx, we take the best evidence guidelines that doctors are supposed to follow and other providers as well, and just make them really accessible at the point of care. So we have SnapDx Clinical, which is kind of an evidence-based physical exam app. So we take all the JAMA Rational Clinical Exam series and make it quickly accessible through an app. Then we have kind of our Guideline Says series, which is basically we're taking every guideline in existence and turning it into an app. So we've done guideline apps for COPD, for hypertension, and we recently released one for asthma, and we're working on one for lipids as well. Recently, we landed a contract with Carnegie Mellon University, where our software, we're doing kind of a joint project with them that's funded by the NIH, and it'll be piloted at 5 different hospitals. That's kind of our strategy. We have like a bottom-up kind of app that is free for doctors, and then working with institutions to integrate with their EMRs and so on. When we saw the Innovation Academy, we thought that was like a great way to see for ourselves, do people want, what we think they want? We just wanted to put our idea out there and see what the feedback was like. After we won the Innovation Academy, that really encouraged us to invest more into SnapDx. So between then and the Switzerland competition, we became all full-time. We built more prototypes. We were already starting to talk to sales, to investors, accelerators. We went through a lot in that 1 year. There were a lot of setbacks, a lot of encouragements, but all of that helped us really prepare for that competition in Switzerland.
Winning the competition was excellent for giving us some credibility and getting us some momentum. Not every product's for every person, and to continue going forward, not to be discouraged necessarily if a few people don't seem to get the idea initially. Yeah, collaboration is key.
Yeah.
And it's really worked for our company, and we highly recommend it for yours.